Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Xiaomi Poco X3 NFC mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then remove the board frame by undoing 11 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector on the left hand side. Next, take out the SIM tray. Next, take out the networking macro, depth and wide cameras from the front side of the logic board. Next, take out the front camera from the board. Next, gently flip the board and take out the primary camera from the board. Next, place new cameras in the body. First, place the main camera and then at the SIM tray. Next, place macro, depth and wide cameras to the board. Next, place the front camera. Next, secure the battery connector and place the board frame by adding 11 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding glue to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.